The secret behind chewy and sweet jelly candy. Opening part. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been happily snacking on jelly beans and suddenly had a thought? Perhaps while chewing on those chewy, fruit-flavored candies, a question suddenly popped into your head. What exactly is this candy made from? Why is it so chewy and so easy to chew? And is it safe to eat this candy every day? Well, today we'll discuss it all. It's not just about the taste or brand, but we'll also dissect jelly candy from a scientific and health perspective, even debunking some of the myths circulating in society. Look, there's a lot of sugar stuck to the jelly candy, and the pile of sugar is like a pile of rocks on a mining hill. And various colors. There are colors from the fruit flavors in the jelly candy. Okay, ready? Let's start our adventure from the very beginning. So, where did jelly beans actually come from? Part 1. The origin of jelly candy. It turns out that the ancestors of the jelly beans you chew today have been around since the 17th century in England. Back then, they made a kind of candy from fruit boiled with sugar, which was then allowed. The texture wasn't as chewy as it is now, but the concept was the same, sweet and delicious. Part 2. Main ingredients of candy. Number 1. The gelling agent. This is the main actor that gives jelly candy its structure. There are several types commonly used. Second, carrageenan. This is an alternative to seaweed. It's often used in candies that require a softer texture or in vegetarian products. Third, pectin. This is a natural fiber from fruit. It's usually used to make softer, quick-melting jelly candies, like certain fruit candies. Second, sweeteners. This is what makes jelly candy sweet and addictive. There are two main components, sugar or sucrose. This is the main source of sweetness. Glucose syrup. Its function is not only to provide sweetness, but also to prevent the sugar from crystallizing. Number 3, water. It may seem trivial, but water is crucial. Number 4, acidity regulator, usually called citric acid. This is what creates the refreshing, sour sensation on the tongue. Number 5, flavorings and colorings. This is what gives jelly candies their distinctive strawberry, grape, or orange flavors. Part 3. The secret of a chewy and easy-to-chew texture. Now let's play a guessing game. Try holding a jelly bean and gently pull it. See, it stretches, but it doesn't break. Then, when pressed, it returns to its original shape. Why is that? The answer lies in the first ingredient I mentioned earlier, gelatin or carrageenan. These two ingredients belong to a group called hydrocolloids. The cool term is they have the superpower of absorbing and binding water. So, why is it so easy to swallow? There are two reasons. First, because of its soft texture. Second, after it's crushed, the candy mixes with saliva to form a smooth paste. Part 4. The sticky sugar phenomenon. Well, this phenomenon is interesting to discuss. Why does sugar stick to jelly beans? The answer lies in sugar's natural hygroscopic nature. Simply put, sugar has the ability to absorb water from its surroundings. Part 5. Jelly candy's journey in the body. First from the mouth, second to the stomach, third in the small intestine, and fourth in the large intestine. Part 6. Nutritional content and benefits. Okay, let's be honest. This is the part that might be a bit disappointing for jelly candy lovers. Are there any nutritional benefits? Yes, but the amounts are very small and insignificant. So, what are the benefits? Medically and nutritionally, the benefits are very limited. They're just a quick source of energy and temporary pleasure. Part 7. Negative effects of frequent consumption. The first is tooth decay, caries. The second is weight gain and obesity. The third is metabolic disorders. The fourth is disrupting healthy eating patterns. The fifth is disrupting digestion. And the sixth is potential allergies. You saw just now. That is the dirt that comes from our hands when holding jelly candy. So that's a small experiment when holding food. Hands must be washed with soap first. Part 8. Who should avoid jelly candy? First, people with diabetes mellitus, types 1 and 2. Second, those who are obese or on a strict diet. Third, children with congenital metabolic disorders. Fourth, people with food allergies or sensitivities. And fifth, people with chronic digestive disorders. Closing part in. Well, that's it, folks. Our long journey to thoroughly explore jelly candy from various angles, from its history, ingredients, the secret of its texture, to its health benefits. So, what's the conclusion? Jelly candies are safe to eat as an occasional snack. Our bodies can digest them well, but they're not healthy food. I hope this video is helpful and broadens your horizons. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and wise.